Hello and welcome to the Global Code Guild. Today we're going to give you a quick introduction to Excel. These are going to be task-based introductions, very small little snippets of functionality. My name's Steve. I'm the founder and CEO of the Global Code Guild. Let's begin. Now I'm using Camtasia for Mac. In Mac, when you launch this, you are going to see a variety of templates. So there's an Excel workbook, a multi-page calendar, pros and cons, all sorts of things, customer lists. So you get the idea. So you can go in, double-click the Excel workbook to open up a blank workbook. Now what I'm going to do so you can see this is up here in the top, I'm going to zoom this to 200%, and that zooms in on the spreadsheet so you can see that better. Now, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but down the bottom here, there's worksheet tabs. I'll zoom in just for a second. So you can see there's a worksheet tab. These are pages in the workbook. Some people call them a tab. So you can insert as many as you want. You can either right-click, or you can click the little insert sheet area. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to rename these. So let's rename the first one shopping list. I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to type some text in. Before I do that, I'm going to tell you about the columns. These are columns. There's letters at the top of each column. These are rows. These are numeric rows. And how you identify a cell location. This is a cell. Bear with me here. Zoomed in a bit too much. This is like a cell address location. You can also assign a cell or a range of cells a name. So in this case, cell B2 is located right here. Let's zoom out. Now let's begin. I'm going to type some text in here. Shopping list. I'm going to create a little table of data. So I'm going to say amount, or I could say cost, whatever you want. Item. I can use the Shift key and the arrow keys to highlight something, or I could click and drag it. I'm going to bold these, increase the fonts. I'm going to center these. And then if you click between column A and column B, this little line here, you can see how the icon cursor will change. You double click it, and it'll optimize. Let's widen this out. Let's pretty this up a little bit. Let's give it a background color. And we centered. Oops. And then let's also put borders around it. Now I'm going to set a range so I can click and drag. And if I go up to the word Format Cells, I'm going to set it to currency. And I hit OK. Say $2 for eggs. Say $3 for bread. And say $12 for beer. You have to have your beer. Now I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to add those up. It's called the sum function. Functions begin with the equal sign. So I'm going to type in equals SUM, and if you look at the top here, your functions will come up immediately. And then insert some parentheses, and I'm going to click and drag for what I want the range to be summed. So right here it says cell A4, so here's A, and row 4, column A, row 4, all the way, they use a colon here, all the way to column A6. That's going to be summed. when I hit enter, it does it for me. I can put a little description here, and if I want, I can highlight that, I can bold that, and I can increase the font, and if I want to, I can color that. And now if I want to turn this into a little pretty grid, I can highlight the whole thing and go up to the borders area, and I can hit all borders. Say I want to increase the shopping list font, I can increase that. That's a bit big, so I can increase it again, decrease it. And say I wanted to color that, I can color that. Don't go too color crazy. Some people do that. If I want, I can put a big border around everything and put a little different looking border, a thick box border. It's kind of nice sometimes. I'm going to set the print range. I'm going to highlight everything. Go up to the word File, and I'm going to go to Print Area, Set Print Area. So first you need to highlight the area you want to print with your mouse, or you could use your Shift and your arrow keys, and then go up to File, Print Area, Set Print Area. When you click that, you're ready to print. So I just go up to my printer icon and I click Print, and it would print out. Now let's go take a look at my site. You need to sign up for this. It's free currently. Okay, let me log out here. I'm in admin mode. Okay, this is the Global Code Guild. I have a guild. I'm building a global guild of people who are interested in computing, of computing professionals for all types of software. And if you go here, you can sign up to join the guild. And you can see right there, you can sign up. And you can also click Free Library. Let me zoom out so you get everything here. And then when you come into the Free Library area, hit Microsoft Excel. And then here is where I will be posting all the videos. Most of these videos will be on YouTube, and some will be on our sites in our member-only area. And in the future, we'll have to have a subscription model for that. My name's Steve for the Global Code Guild. Please sign up.